What's up, guys? So this video isn't exactly what I had planned. We did have our first tournament this past Saturday. I went out 2 times to practice. One time I went out last Saturday with Greg again.
Another good day on the boat.
We tried. We did our best.
What you're seeing right now is about as much action as we've had all day.
When you try your best, but you don't succeed.
And we got shut out. And then I took a half day on Thursday, got out on the lake, and this is what it looked like. And got shut out again. So I only fished on Thursday for about 2 hours. My boat was getting whipped all around. They said 25-mile-per-hour gust, but it pretty much stayed steady 25-mile-per-hour winds from the north. And every creek I went up in, it was still blowing me. So I actually had to idle back. The video that you just saw was me idling back to the boat ramp. I couldn't even run the boat. I was taking waves over. But anyways, for the tournament,
Is he the one running?
Alright, we need...
the weather changed dramatically. I was going to take my camera out. I only have one little cross-tour camera. And the temperature when we got up for the tournament was 24 degrees. And they were calling for rain, sleet, and snow at some point throughout the tournament for about 2 to 3 hours. So I didn't bring my stuff out. It actually started sleeting and snowing about 3 hours into the tournament, and it did that for about 2 hours. I wish I would have brought the camera because we did end up catching 4 fish, and we lost one at the boat. That was about 2 pounds. But we ended up taking 9th place out of 24 boats, which I'm stoked about. We heard that they actually kept track of weight throughout the season, but they don't. They keep track of points. So we're not far out. We're in the middle of the pack, and I'm completely happy with that. I mean, this is our first tournament series ever, and these guys know what they're doing. It was tough fishing. I talked to a bunch of the guys in the league, and I mean, the water temps have dropped 7, 8 degrees since 2 weeks ago. So first place on the tournament caught 21 pounds, man. They caught a sack. Second place caught 13 pounds, third place 10, and then fourth place 8. They ended up paying top 4. And then we were in 9th place with 6.5 pounds. And like I said, we lost one at the boat, and then we put a fish back about a minute before weighing. The tip of the tail was touching 12 inches, and I didn't want to risk it because if you weigh in a short fish, you got to lose your biggest. So it wasn't worth it to me, but that would have bumped us up a couple more points. This season, we are finished with the lake tournaments until September. So our next 2 tournaments are on the Potomac. The tournament after that in June is on the Chickahominy River. July and August are on the Rappahannock River. Our last tournament of the season is on Lake Anna again. And then we have a classic the last weekend of September, so we don't know where the classic is yet. But pretty much these videos are just going to be me and Nate Dog going out and practicing and getting ready for these tournaments. I'm completely hooked. It's so much fun, man. I have a blast out there. Stay tuned. I'll keep you guys posted.